Invalid marriage equals green card through VAWA? Let's talk about it. One of the things that you need to show in order to get a VAWA green card is that your marriage was valid. But what happens if you find out that it wasn't? Here's a situation where that might come up. Let's say that you're currently married to someone and they were previously married to someone else, but they didn't finalize that divorce for whatever reason. Maybe they never filed, or maybe the divorce just wasn't handled correctly. You can't be married to more than one person at the same time. That means your current marriage is not valid. There's an exception for people applying for VAWA. So basically, if you're married to a U.S. citizen and you thought you were getting into a valid marriage and you at some point suffered abuse at the hands of this U.S. citizen, they will count your marriage as valid for the purposes of getting VAWA.